My last debris test for my tornado probe was, well, sad at best. Alright guys, this is my tornado probe. I'm not going to have any electronics in it today because I don't want those to get fried because they're kind of expensive. But, this thing weighs like 60 pounds. I am going to be testing how or what it takes. I'm just going to be testing how hard it is to break this, okay? Yeah. So it left a dent, but I'm gonna be completely honest with you. The electronics definitely survived, although there might be a little water leakage. So, yeah, duct tape fixes everything, doesn't it? See, I even got yellow duct tape, see? Yeah, I think this thing's real, strength is that it's so close to the ground, that nothing can really hit it very easily. Like, I had to throw the brick, like, what? 200 times to hit it? But, yeah. Now we're up for the next test, which is I'm gonna actually put my phone inside during waterproof test. Alright, so as you can see, my phone is still surviving, but I have a question for you guys. I got this really cool mist maker. What do I turn this into? Please comment down below what I should turn this into. Now let's get back to the video. So one of you guys said I should try my 190 mile per hour leaf blower up against my tornado probe, which that was the leaf blower I used last time, but I used it from a distance, so that's why I didn't say it was 190 miles per hour. But if I do it from really up close, I don't think that will really matter either, because I think for something to truly be affected by 190 miles per hour, it'd have to be the same size as the output here. But I'm still gonna try it, so stick around. If you want this exact same leaf blower, just buy it from the products listed under this video. Alright. So I'm actually really excited to try this because I felt like I couldn't do it last time because I wanted to crop myself out of the camera. Alright, first person view, let's try it. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything to this.